Embosser setup using PIXie. To install the PixBlaster using the PIXie, search for Control Panel in the Start menu. Under Hardware and Sounds, select View Devices and Printers. Select Add a Printer. Select The printer that I want isn't listed. Then select Add a Printer using a TCP/IP address or hostname and select Next. For device type, select TCP/IP device and type in your PIXie IP address in the Hostname or IP address field. This auto-populates the port name field. Select Next. Keep Generic Network Card selected and select Next. Under Manufacturer, select APH, then APH PixBlaster as the printer. Then select Next. For the printer name, I'm going to add PIXie. This is not required, but lets me know that this printer is printing through the PIXie. Then select Next. The final screen has two options: Do not share this printer and Share this printer. We are not going to share this printer at this time. Either way, click Next. Your printer is now ready to use. For more information, visit us at aph.org/product/PixBlaster.